Okay, for this last part here, I'm just going to go through definitions. So all this definition can be found on your page 189. Okay, so once again, all this can be found on your page 189. So I just literally copy it from there. So for critical angle, do take note it is defined as the angle of incidence. So the critical angle is an angle of incidence. Okay, and what is this? What's so special about this angle of incidence? Okay, it is the angle of incidence in which the angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees. Okay, so do take note, it is the angle of incidence in which the angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees, as we have seen previously. What is total internal reflection? Okay, it is the complete reflection of light ray inside an optically denser medium, okay, at its boundary with an optically less dense medium, as we have seen in the previous case also, that the light ray gets totally reflected back into the medium. Now, do take note, this is a commonly asked or commonly inferred question inside exams and tests and whatsoever. I need you all to be aware of this. Do remember this thing here. There are actually two conditions necessary for total internal reflection to occur. Okay, the first one is the light ray must be traveling from an optically denser medium to an optically less dense medium. So that's the first condition, from denser medium to a less dense medium. Second condition, which we have seen previously, is that the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. Okay, the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. So do take note of these 2 points over here. Most people will just remember point number 2, but they will forget point number 1. So do take note of the 2 conditions. Now lastly, give 4 equations, actually 3 will do. Okay, these are the 3 main equations that I need you to remember in this chapter of light when you're doing calculation. First, the refractive index is equals to the speed of light in vacuum or air divided by the speed of light in the medium. Okay, what you'll see in the textbook is C over V, but I'll tend to remember it like that, okay, because I will remember what should we put at the top, what should we put at the bottom in terms of the fraction. Okay, so N is equal to speed of light in vacuum or air divided by speed of light in the medium. Next one, N is equals to sine angle in vacuum or air divided by sine of the angle in the medium. In the textbook, you will see sine I over sine R. The I and the R can be deceptive at times. In terms, we'll think of it as angle of incidence, angle of refraction. It's actually somewhat not so accurate, okay, because its definition is a bit more precise. So I would remember it based on this one over here, sine angle in vacuum over air divided by sine angle in the medium. And last one is N equals to 1 over sine C. Okay, C here is the critical angle, so just do take note of this. So these are the 3 formulas. In the next few lessons, most probably we'll do a little bit more practice on trying to apply this formula here. That's all.